Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we will see how to fix the purifier when it shows up a red blinking light. To do this, all you need is a screwdriver. This method should work for all typical purifier when it shows up a red light. You must switch off the purifier to do this and gently lift the set and keep it aside. Drain the water before doing this. You must screw the tap in anti-clockwise direction in order to remove the tap. Gently remove the screws which is present at the top and bottom of the purifier. So once you open it, you can see a small black button which resides behind one of the filters. Gently remove the filter and press and hold the reset button for about a minute. After that, close everything and put back the filter. Usually the purifier has an internal automatic timer which is set to show the red light, which means the timer doesn't really check if the filter has gone bad or not. Remember, after doing this method, if the water still tastes good, you can use it. If you feel that the taste is different, kindly do not use the water and call the service people for replacing the filter. So now when you switch on the filter, you will be able to see a green light. We hope this video is helpful. So subscribe to my channel for more interesting hacks. Thank you.